in HPV. Big one. I don't see the Mackie brushes.
No, I don't know where they've gone.
Unless they've gone behind the earth.
There you go, Dad, that's your fish.
There's your fish. How big are they? Are they having a mackerel or do they want a worm? They might just want a worm, these. Fair licking wind anyway, I'll tell you that, huh?
We'll go down and have a proper drift, I think.
Yeah. You hammering them, John? Ah, we've got some on here. It's getting choppy out there now, like. Yeah. Carriage 1, 2, 3, 4 at the moment.
Well,
no, just big enough. No, the great biggie ones, like no. Never come and have a go around here on this bay mark, I mean. See if we can hammer them. Had to get Eileen summer anyway, won't it? I don't know whether they're looking at these macro PB, are they?
I don't know. Never done with any good with the mackerel around here. I might put my white one back on and give that a go.
Hey, me playing about. Don't worry. About the knife. That's fucking good stuff, this, you know. I can fucking do it. I can't fucking know. Huh? Look at You've got to hold it up in the fucking sunlight to see the best. Worm going on here, PB. we'll see in a minute, maybe.
Well, this is where the fish are anyway.
Well, I'm nearly there.
Whether they're worth catching or not.
Yeah. Judging by what's gone on them, I don't think they'd be breaking any records somewhere. Eh? But we'll see in a minute. This is a worm without the weight on, just my super line on and a swivel. Let's see what happens.
Is it going to sink?
Eh?
Is it going to sink like that? Mind you, you're only in 50 foot of water. So.
We're drifting along that long, I don't think it's going to.
Oh, well, drifting that quick, Dad.
Well, it does because I've caught a fish.
Oh, have you? Yeah. Fucking
hell.
That's a good one. Fucking worm going on here.
Oh dear. Come on, you bugger. Look at those smaller ones. You're not keeping them, are you?
Jeez, I don't know if you can get fillet off it and you want Dad. You can.
If I can get fillet off it, yeah, do you want? Keep it.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what you do about that, baby.
They're not entertaining my bloody dog while they're in.
No.
What was that? Just free line down?
Yes. All I've done is put a hook on, same swivel, and just let it go. Takes a little while to sink.
I'll have to come on your side if I'm going to try that game.
Yeah,
I'll
oh,
have to do it under the boat.
I didn't even think it had got down there. Actually.
Oh well, if it works, it works.
One of them black with a greeny tail on. I didn't think it had just sunk, you know.
They're not bloody entertaining, they're senseless.
No.
go back round in a minute
Yeah.
and just tie it up. That mark's just on the inside, isn't it? Just on the inside of this. That's breezy here as well, but if you go 200 yards that
Yeah,
way,
go back in there, yeah. Just on the
It's fine.
on the borderline, like, huh? Isn't it? It's turning over here now. Oh, well, just in sight here. It'll be turning over out there a bit. Huh?
You can tell by the colour of the sea, it's got
Yeah.
that dark colour about it now.
Yeah.
Light indicator. Right then, you little.
Eh?
Stick.
Yeah, right. You put a weight on?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it a weight.
Right. There we go.
There you go. Fancy that working like that? I don't put it all on. Done a swivel, taking it down and away to you. Ba-ba-dee, ba-ba-ba.
Yeah, it's much nicer in here, you see.
Well, yeah, it's just that 50 yards. Great enough. Bit there now, anyway, whatever you're on. Eh? A lump.
There you go.
Sure, that's it.
Don't know which. You might want to be on this side, Dad.
More than likely it's going under both.
Yeah, here you go. Come on this side.
It doesn't really matter.
I've got weight on mine.
Oh, this one. Oh, that's it. Put all on this, I don't think it had even gone down far enough. First cast,
There's a
PB.
pot marker there as well, right?
I know there is an old one.
No, it's a new one, a yellow one.
Oh, I don't know if that is. Oh, I thought it was an old one. Eh?
Wrong drift this time.
Wrong one.
We're just on that borderline. You might pick up something. Give it a go anyway.
Can't trust it, so I can do with trust it.
Hang on, you leave yours in, Dad.
Huh?
You leave yours in, I'll just spin us around.
Right, like he says. You had nothing yet, Peter?
No. Right, here we go, we're just coming on the neck.
Yeah, you would probably have you little bastard. Oh, it's come back for it. It's still coming for it. You got him this time.
You got him?
Yeah.
Good man. Looks like it's going.
It's going. Can I see it yet? I certainly like this word. Eh?
Is it the ready black one or the just
No,
pure
that's
black?
the one with the funny crown. One with the greeny.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's like a red and the
No.
jet black, isn't it?
Small one, this that one.
Yeah, it's the jet black one's the one I got.
Where's John? I'm looking at the crash. We in your way, John? Are we in your way? Yep. Well, they're still here anyway. Eh? All right. You can have one of these rubber heels if you want. They are working. Huh? Yeah.
Still working?
Funny enough, we haven't done much good on them this year. You got one on, have you? Eh? You have? Oh, I'm pinching my spot now.
Come over to the good side, that's what it is.
No, you might not just nail a couple of these.
Same size? Do you want to bring that up, Dad, and I'll spin it?
Yeah.
That rubber seal's held out well on that, you know.
And what?
On that.
Yeah.
Still rock solid there.
Yeah, that's alright, should do. I'm looking for the big one now, people. Bloody raining over there.
Yeah, just that.
Yeah.
And it's bouncy, you can see it on the horizon.
Yeah.
You know?
Not got stuff coming over here, huh?
Bouncy.
Bang! Summertime till evening. Now we're looking for a monster. A fucking big monster, people. Yeah. There's a good old swell at the back of the bloody castle. Huh? Isn't it?
Time of year, innit? You can't rely on it.
Oh no. You wouldn't want to be going up Derby anyway. You wouldn't be getting days of frost with that, wouldn't you? Oh, it's fucking cold. anywhere around here now.
I'll let you know when we need to get fixed.
Oh, I just, getting near high tide, that's the problem now, PV. You might just go off, huh? Oh man, they might not. Trying the easy way now, you see. That's my way, that, John. Best thing to use. That's all I've got. I like my little troll around. Make sure I don't put the cat in that. Look at winding in. Could have a bit of trouble winding them in. Yeah. Well, it's just up here. I bet if you get out of it, it's not. Only had one little flip this go, PB. Hey? Oh, well.
We're not drifting the way we think we're drifting. Yeah, we're not going along up there.
No.
We're coming straight in.
Outward. I don't care which way we go as long as I get a monster.
Yeah, I think that side is down to the green.
Yeah.
No, still pushing.
I know, it's just got a flip. It's a tie and a little flip. Yeah.
Give up on the green.
That must be the Mackie back a bit there. Where are they? Oh, there you are. They're not looking at much now, TV, eh? Yeah. Summertime today. There you go, Pig. What was you saying about that wind, TB?
Again, up again, is it?
Yeah. That was the lull before the storm. Huh? There's still somebody picking up breaking.
I can see that. Pop back up again.
Little heroes. Huh?
Yeah, I can see it.
Summertime evening. He's had that boat for many years.
Yeah.
He's had that boat ever since I could been here. Eh? 40 years. Yeah. It's always been the same boat. Eh? Different engine on it. Eh? Fish there, baby. I'll just have to put my tool things down.
There is.
Big one down there. Wonder how the gas men are going on.
You think they've turned up?
I don't know. They're meant to be. it's getting up now, yeah. Just come then with a big blow. That was just a lull before the storm.
Oh, what's coming now?
It's fucking breaking up behind Fenella there, and you've fucking just seen it coming over the fucking top of them rocks. Eh? Right in the corner. He's had enough anyway, he's winding in.
Oh, I've got some fish in.
Oh, alright.
Fill a few orders, won't it? We don't need any, I've got some.
You got enough, have you? I'm having one or two myself. I want one for next door. Eh? Eh? No. Just getting up to high water, you see.
Yeah.
That's usually it. I don't know where to go or what they do, but they're fucking scattered.
You won't get into a 12 anyway, do you?
Eh? No.
There we go, there's fish.
I'll tell you in a minute. Eh? Dun, 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 dun.
That water temperature's dropped a degree from here to
To what?
degree colder in here than it is out here.
Yeah.
What's that fish?
Something to do with fresh water.
Yeah. Still there.
Had one go at it and then fucked up. Eh? Mm. That wind's going up now.
Get up for a while.
Well, yeah. Spit back in there, it's fucking swim back in there, isn't it?
You reckon?
Yeah? Take a while. You get through it. Huh? I think he'd be well pissed off by the time he got to Breakwater. He'd be well pissed off by the time he got to Breakwater, I think. Not bothering with this one. I think the fucking monster just sharpening his knife and fork,
Ready.
ready to eat my fucking worm. Getting stuck fucking look now. Nothing.
Oh, I did.
Well, that's because you haven't really caught.
You must be doing it wrong.
It's because you haven't really caught many, you see, and they're probably feeling sorry for you now.
Probably.
Think, well, he'll have to be going in soon, so we'll give him a bit of a go.
Make an effort. Bloody fleece will be going on in a minute. I know that.
It's just going cool, and there's John heading in now. Not exactly what you call sweaty, Pete.
No.
It's not like when the sun were out. There's your little Jan, That breeze is stretching up all the time.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely. Man, you said it was coming in this afternoon.
I thought we might got a few more hours out of it, yeah.
Fucking white horses over there.
Yeah.
Towards the big bay. You see him there, turning over. Good style up there. Hey, now then, me little lad. Down you go. Put my shirt on there, Pete, if you want.
I've got a fleece in there.
I've got 2 jumpers on here anyway. Got my winter gear on.
Got the summer gear, isn't it? 2 jumpers.
No, that'll be only 1 jumper. That's 2 on. Alright, if it's red hot, yeah.
What I was red hot, 1 jumper and a t-shirt.
Yeah, that's plenty. But when it chills. Not been that fucking warm this summer anyway.
I'll have to look after itself for a minute.
Not many days where you've been sweating anyway, I'll tell you that.
I expect it's competition, isn't it?
I think the drift is too fast and mine's coming up too near the top. No way, so. We are drifting at a fair rate, not. That's what I think, TD, that's why I'm not getting it. Drifting a lot harder than we were. What? Yeah, it's not worth it now. Eh? probably twisted. There's some fish down there. Now we'll see what happens now. I think we've gone past the magic hour. Ba, 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 ba. What's Preston now, PB? You wouldn't want to be out at Derby now, no? You'd be seriously thinking about coming home. Huh?
Bring his fish in first,
Yeah, you got him on. It's not a big one, is it? This sort of bottom.
It feels like it. I might have him by the arse or something.
Yeah. Oh. Doing that. We picked him up front because there's not a fucking chicken right anyway. Eh? Oh, it's not a bad one, it's the best one of the fucking day. Eh?
Keep him.
Keep it down, you little bugger. It's about time, well, it's a better one, eh? Getting anyway.
Piece of piss, this.
Eh?
Piece of piss, this.
A piece of piss? I wouldn't say that, I'll say a cold piece of piss now.
Cold. One more drift and that'll
I'm
be
getting
right.
fucking drifty soul now. Fucking shit's gonna go on in a minute. Eh?
One more drift and then that'll do.
What time is it? 10 to 40.
Yeah. Get down
Fucking shit's going on before the fucking sea's up now. Eh?